A new Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Today we're going to be talking about a product called the Pitch Hopper, and if you're not sure what the Pitch Hopper is, it's actually a very cool device that makes it very easy to navigate on steep roofs. The Pitch Hopper itself is a very simple device, but it's also extremely effective. In fact, this is a box from a new order. I had originally purchased 2 of these for the roof project that I'm working on. I'm putting a new roof on my shop, and I was so impressed with how well it performed, I purchased 2 more to speed up the project. We have one half of our roof to finish, and I felt by having 2 sets of these, we could navigate around on the roof pretty easily. They do come in a couple of different lengths. This particular one is 32 inches, but they also sell a shorter 24-inch model. They also come in a couple of different colors. This particular one is just black, but they also sell a Freedom Series, which is a little bit of a red, white, and blue scheme. The Pitch Hopper is designed to work on a pitch up to 12/12, and we are using it on a pitch of 9/12. A 9/12 pitch is pretty steep, and in fact, it's not comfortable to walk around, and anybody inexperienced probably will not be able to walk around on a pitch of 9/12. The Pitch Hopper is designed to work on asphalt roofs, so that means shingles are an acceptable medium to use the Pitch Hopper on, and per the website, the Pitch Hopper can handle up to 250 pounds. And one thing that we noticed while using it is this textured pattern actually works amazingly well. It gives you really good traction when you're working on this platform. The secret sauce that makes these work so well and pretty much stick to an asphalt roof without any issues is the padding that is on the bottom. There is about 1 inch of foam glued to the bottom of the platform, and this foam grips exceptionally well, at least on an asphalt shingled roof. That's what we have noticed. We did bounce a couple of these around the hot roof last weekend, and they held up pretty good. In fact, I think they would last for a very long time. I think they're a good investment if you're going to be working on a steep roof. And when I say good investment, that's probably my only complaint is I think they are very pricey for what they are. But keeping that price in mind, well, we were so happy with how well they worked, we went ahead and bought 2 more. So how well do these work? Well, we're going to take a look now, and you're going to see for yourself. The material feels kind of like a hard plastic. It looks like it's a styrofoam, but when you feel it and work with it, it's more of a hard plastic. It is extremely lightweight, but when you kneel on it, it's not so hard that it hurts your knees, so there's a little bit of give to the material. So kneeling around on it isn't really uncomfortable, and in this particular fashion, again, I feel very safe working on a roof. Having a set of these made navigating the roof really easy. It really wasn't that difficult because we could just kind of hop them around and move them as needed and move around on the roof without much trouble. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like them. I like the way they're made. I like the fact that they're not super heavy. You can kind of move them around without much trouble. They seem to be built okay for what they are. My only major complaint is the price. But that being said, they really did make this job so much more bearable than what it really could have been. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.